Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can make your phone contacts not find you in Snapchat. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started and open Snapchat on your device. Then at the top, click on your profile picture to go to your profile. Next, go to the gear to go to settings. And here, scroll down until you find the My Contacts section and click on that. And as you can see, this displays who can find you, who can contact you, you're chatting with them. And if you have friends and contacts active, then you will only need to switch to friends, then confirm that action. And this way, only your friends will be able to contact you on Snapchat, and people from your contact book won't be able to do that. By these simple ways, friends, you can easily make it so that your phone contacts can't find you on Snapchat. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, write your comments and also put your likes. See you soon.